Hey everybody, Nature Walks with Dawn here, and I spotted a little green tree frog. He's in our water spout. There he is, isn't he cute? I had been hearing something ribbit out on my porch, and I finally found him. He's right here in our water can. I really can't tell how big he is, but he looks pretty fat. It might be Ribbit. When I first saw him, I was like, oh my god, has brown Ribbit back. Well, he's pretty big in there, and I pet him a couple times already, and I poured some water in there so he'd be happy and cool off because it's kind of a hot day out. But he's in there happy, looking for some bugs to eat. So I hope you guys enjoy. God bless and Jesus loves you all. I'm gonna give him a little pet. Oh, he went back in there. Hope you enjoy. Love you guys.